Quirk, the strange bird, possesses a remarkable ability to mimic and transform sounds into mysterious melodies. Its complex syrinx allows it to replicate bird calls, human speech, instruments, and ambient noises. Locals attribute mystical qualities to its songs, believing they bring good fortune and healing. Quirk's melodies have inspired folklore, and musicians worldwide seek to capture its enchanting tunes. Despite being elusive, Quirk remains a captivating enigma, celebrated for its unique vocal prowess in the natural world. Do you know, meet the lumiglow fish, a peculiar deep-sea creature with bioluminescent organs. This fish uses its ethereal glow for both camouflage and communication. The lumiglow fish blends into the dark depths by mimicking ambient light and communicates with its kind through a mesmerizing light-based language. This strange adaptation showcases nature's ingenuity in the mysterious world beneath the ocean's surface. Do you know a peculiar feline possesses a remarkable ability? It can change the color of its fur in response to its environment. This unique adaptation serves both as a form of camouflage and a means of communication with other cats. The Enigma cat's chameleon-like fur has baffled scientists and delighted observers, making it a captivating mystery in the world of feline wonders. For more stories like this, subscribe and like. Do you know the shadow cat, a mysterious black feline, is renowned for an unusual trait? Its fur turns silver under the moonlight. This enigmatic transformation has sparked local folklore, with some believing the cat possesses supernatural powers. The shadow cat's nightly metamorphosis remains a captivating and unexplained phenomenon, leaving a touch of magic in its wake. Do you know? In a remote corner of the world, there exists a unique species of tigers known as mirage tigers. These enigmatic big cats have fur that seems to shift in color, adapting to their surroundings like living chameleons. Researchers are captivated by this natural camouflage, which not only helps them blend into diverse environments, but also serves as a means of surprising their prey.
Do you know about the mesmerizing prism parrot? This extraordinary avian marvel not only mimics human speech but also boasts feathers that refract light, creating a living prism of colors. Local legends weave mystical tales around its kaleidoscopic plumage, linking it to hidden realms of wisdom. Scientists delve into the genetic mysteries behind this parrot's unique traits, unraveling the captivating wonders found in the heart of the rainforest. Subscribe for more intriguing stories about the fascinating creatures that share our planet. Do you know about the Enigma beetles, a group of strange insects that defy conventional understanding? These extraordinary creatures possess wings with iridescent patterns that change color based on their mood and environmental conditions. Imagine a kaleidoscope in the insect world. Scientists are unlocking the secrets behind this mesmerizing adaptation, studying the intricate mechanisms that allow the Enigma beetles to communicate through their ever-shifting hues. Subscribe for more captivating stories about the bizarre and fascinating inhabitants of our natural world.